welcome to part 3 of the important questions about the most famous romantic writer, author, poet विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं आज, और प्रीवियस 2 वीडियोस में वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड 20 क्वेश्चंस। लेट अस स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। Here comes question number 21. Who might the fictitious women represent in Wordsworth's Lucy poems? The term Lucy poem is applied to 5 poems by English poet William Wordsworth, and these are a series of 5 poems composed between 1798 and 1801. और इसमें से लगभग सभी पोइट्री एक पोइट्री को छोड़कर सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ लिरिकल बैलेड में पब्लिश हुई थी। एंड सम स्कॉलर्स स्पेक्यूलेट दैट लूसी इज बेस्ड ऑन हिज सिस्टर डॉरथी, while others see her as a fictitious or some kind of hybrid character. But most critics agree that she is essentially a literary device upon whom he could project, meditate and reflect. And if we say might be, तो हमने यहाँ might word use किया हुआ है। अगर हम might word use कर रहे हैं then I will say the correct answer is Dorothy, but nothing concrete can be said otherwise. So correct answer at present, because we are using might, can be Dorothy. Next question. Which form of poetry is the poem The Solitary Reaper? This is a lyric poetry by English romantic poet William Wordsworth, जो कि publish हुई थी 1807 में, and the poem is really attractive, which means you sit and hold back your breath after every line to know what happens further. It is very beautifully written as well as presented, and the content is just fabulous. Next question, question number 23. In William Wordsworth's The Solitary Reaper, the solitary Highland lass is from which nationality? So the correct answer is the girl belongs to the mountainous Highland region of Scotland. Option number B is the right answer. From which poem of William Wordsworth the line "Our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting" is taken? The line "Our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting" is taken from William Wordsworth's poem Odd Intimations of Immortality from Recollection of Early Childhood, which was completed in 1804 and published in 1807. तो आप लोग ईयर्स याद रखिए, कई बार आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में किसी पोइट्री को अरेंज करने के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, या किसी भी तरीके से ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन के क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं. सो वर्ड्सवर्थ हियर इज सजेस्टिंग दैट और earthly existence is just one phase of our immortality, and that our souls come from another stage of existence, and a forgetfulness is drawn between the two phases. Just like the mythology, we know the concept of soul. Atma ajar hai, amar hai, soul is immortal, and we keep on taking new birth and forget the previous birth. Next question. Which out of the following is not a poem by Wordsworth? London, Strange Fits of Passion, Have I Known, The Solitary Reaper और लंदन? ये लंदन 1802 है, ये सिर्फ लंदन है. तो आइए एक एक करके सभी ऑप्शंस को समझते हैं. सभी ऑप्शंस में भी आपके किसी फर्दर एग्जाम में कुछ ना कुछ काम आ जाए. सो लंदन 1802, येस, इट इज अ पोम बाय इंग्लिश रोमांटिक पोएट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ. नेक्स्ट कम्स स्ट्रेंज फिट्स ऑफ पैशन, हैव आई नोन. ये एक 7 स्टेंजा की पोइट्री है, एंड इट वॉज कंपोज बाय वर्ड्सवर्थ इन 1798 ड्यूरिंग वन ऑफ हिज स्टे इन जर्मनी, एंड इट वॉज फर्स्ट पब्लिश्ड इन द सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ लिरिकल बैलेड. सॉलिटरी रीपर तो बहुत ही फेमस है. दिस इज अ लिरिक पोइट्री बाय हिम एंड वन ऑफ हिज बेस्ट नोन वर्क्स. This London is actually a poem by William Blake, which was published in 1794 में विलियम ब्लेक का सॉन्ग्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस कलेक्शन पब्लिश हुआ था, जिसमें ये पोइट्री पब्लिश हुई थी. एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ दोज फ्यू पोम्स इन सॉन्ग्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस दैट डज नॉट हैव अ corresponding poem in Songs of Innocence. So option number D is the right answer. This London, written by William Blake. Next question, question number 26. Little we see in nature that is ours. This is a line from which poetry? The line "Little we see in nature that is ours" appears in a sonnet composed by William Wordsworth, and the name of the title of the sonnet is "The World is Too Much with Us." This sonnet was published in 1807, and it was published in 2 volumes. In these lines, the speaker contrasts nature with the whole world. The speaker then continues by describing the beauties of nature that people are missing out on by being so caught up in the want of money and possessions. Next question. An Evening Walk is written by which of the following writer? First published in 1790 3 An Evening Walk, a romantic poem for nature lovers. ये इसका subtitle है, a romantic poem for nature lovers. This is a poem by English romantic poet William Wordsworth, composed when he was at school. The young lady to whom it was addressed was his sister, the poet and diarist Dorothy Wordsworth. Next question. When was William Wordsworth appointed poet laureate? पोएट लॉरिएट एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस ऑफिशियल पोस्ट है, ऑफिशियल डेजिग्नेशन है किसी भी पोएट के लिए. इन 1843 वर्ड्सवर्थ बिकेम इंग्लैंड्स पोएट लॉरिएट, अ पोजीशन ही हेल्ड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फ्रॉम विच ईयर टू विच ईयर दैट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ सर्व्ड as the poet laureate of Britain? The correct answer is option number A. Option number A here, 1843 to 1850. Wordsworth was selected poet laureate in 1843 and until his death on 23rd April 1850, he remained on this position. Next question, question number 30, the last question of this video. In which magazine in the year 1787 that William Wordsworth made his debut as a writer by publishing a sonnet? Wordsworth made his debut as a writer in 1787 as told when he published his first sonnet in the European magazine. The European magazine is the name of the magazine. That same year he also started attending St. John's College too. तो अगर आप लोगों को कॉलेज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आए तो प्लीज डू रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ हिज कॉलेज, सेंट जॉन्स कॉलेज, एंड ही रिसीव्ड हिज BA degree, bachelor's degree in 1791. So here we reach to the end of this video. By clicking on the links given here, you can read some important questions and biography about John Milton. John Milton is a very prominent writer for English literature students. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck for your exams, and please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. You may join our online classes by sending a WhatsApp at this number.